So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Welcome back, dear listeners, dear followers. Thank you for the subscriptions. Thank you for the likes. It's another beautiful day here at home, Beyond the Book podcast. Of course, you have another lovely guest. I hope you can't wait to meet this a lovely, lovely soul. With me, I have the one and only. Well, he's just going to introduce himself, cause you guys you know him. Ketan.
Sanibonani, njani The Bull Podcast. Ngiyathuka nje sivuka ngihambe 2 weeks eJozi. Sengiyabuya sengibeyond the Go Podcast. No, esothe siyathuthuka guys, and it's great to see ukuthi we're growing as a youth. By the way, kulaba ngadi ligama lami ngithabiso Mthethwa, but most of you know me as Typho San. Ujobe Nyambo semafavu njengedangamane mageza ngebusa abanye bageza ngemandi. Ngimi loyo. So bafethu mina ngihlala la Mngwane Park, but khayilithi la ngidalwa seBlondo Standing. So yeah, but nje impilo yami yonke I think ngikhulele la Mngwane Park ekhaya uyabona lokuya ngabo December ekhaya kuba ngilo.
So we know the drill. Beyond the Book podcast, we want to explore all the talents that young people have whilst they're in suit, that then they're pursuing whatever talents that they're pursuing. So Typho, before we dive into so many things and so many points and everything, just take us back. Who's Typho? May I just wanna use Typho? Buwasan ko siya nagusushi de original mainly. Bahani. I just wanna use Typho. Take us back. Who's this young man? Skolweni, what's going on? Just give us that deal. Want to know.
Basically, Typho is just a way from Ekasi, which some people find it hard to believe man some from Ekasi because that's mean cheese boy is a man shame. The cheese boy. I'm a Kasi boy, then I go show hardcore man.
Really?
Yeah, I'm a Kasi boy, man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I'm a boy from Ekasi. Njengoba ngidance Kasi boy, it means you should know what's going on. I'm always with my friends. So basically, this will be a good music career one. Typho kahle is a name lengakhula ngale khaya. Ngakhula bangibita Typho. Mina nje I knew I was Typho if you saw igama lami because it was the abol igama lokukhula babita ngale khaya. So I fell in love with the name. It never got out of my system. That is why when I decided I'm doing easy.
Yes.
Nathi I'm gonna use Typho because Typho is a name nathi belifila very special game. So the sun part comes from the fact that all my friends they went on music. They've been in the game for a long time. So it's time nasihamba. They like nafika umuntu now how mbando yabona sibeshiye all this point is magic yabo. So baba bathi ngisho ukuthi mbando. Hi, this is time for our son. This is time for our son. So the son comes from the fact that I was the youngest from all of them. So they used to call me their son, and I'm their son, which is Typho, who's their son. So Typho son is basically means Typho, who is a young boy.
Okay. Well, so you have a beautiful stage name, of course, like the history, everything that you hands out. So today we seek to understand, we want to influence someone who just want to grow up and do that view. So you're going to explain to us, we'll see. Okay. Well, before we go there, I forgot to ask you something. Are you in school?
Yeah, I'm in school. Labesano, we pharmacy. Yeah, I'm doing pharmacy esano. Doing my second year in pharmacy. So vele school is something lengithatha seriously.
Okay. Before that, I actually wanted to ask you. You are pursuing pharmacy at SANU. So now, as Beyond the Books, we want you to influence someone to actually want to grow up to be this kind of person that you are. So we hear that you are pursue pharmacy in SANU, and what do you do beyond being a person who's at school and everything? I mean, me, I know you, but some other people don't know what you are easily than everything,
Yeah, so
I know that you might say who doesn't know Typho, but for now, who are not? What are you busy with?
For me, besides school, when I'm not at school, it's either I'm at work, making when I'm not at work, I'm doing music. Music, which is something that's been in my heart ever since. Music, okay, for one thing, let me explain to people who would see how music is to me, because some people think, I'm doing music because I'm an artist. Nah, I'm not doing music because I'm an artist or because I know how to sing or because I know how to write. I'm doing music because it's a piece of my soul. Now, let me explain to you what I mean when I say it's a piece of my soul. Growing up, I was never that boy. Yabo that boy uhlezi anebangani labayincubi nani. So each time, and I was the oldest ekhaya. So whenever I have problems, ngeke uthathe inkinga takho uthile abadala bakho, you have to bottle them up angithi. So the only thing that got me through hard times, became my safe space, was music ever since I was a kid. So that is why I say music is a piece of my soul. Meaning, the only thing which you can take away from me currently, ngive ngathi I'm not complete, is my music. The only thing that completes me without any doubt is my music. I stay with my parents endlini. Ilanga lonke nje, ilanga lonke bangangiboni ukuthi ngikhona la endlini. NgiseGamarwe. Faka ama-earphone nami, I'm writing songs. Like music, it's something that runs deep in me. To a point nje ukuthi noma bethiwa i-mood yami injani, noma bethiwa ngi-happy ngikwadekwane, I'm sad kanganani, I definitely know ukuthi yabona nje nangabe there's somewhere I need to go ngiye ebantwini nani. I-mood yami but ngiyayibona ukuthi it's only negative. In order to get myself up, music is the only way.
Okay, but now we get that music is what you do beyond the books. That is lovely. Well, on the socials, the internet, you are busy, you're viral. We actually saw this big song that got you viral. Rather to say, that got you viral and like you are so big. So, do you care to share with us your journey, like how it started, how that made you feel, because it was so major and it's still like going on and on.
But that is my legacy. Iqale lapho nje. But that was the second song I ever wrote in my entire life. But that is the only song I've ever created and believed in up until now. So for it to be the first song to put me out there, to me, I wouldn't call it luck, but I'd call it destiny. We recorded this song 2024 is last year, yeah. 2024 February.
Yeah.
We record this song. I record the hook. I record the yahlala emshineni. Uyasho Alex, hayi mfana, this is the one. I nina mfana it has potential. Uyabo. Nangirecorda, mind you, I'm still struggling to write. Angikwazi ukubhala. I'm thinking, ngidawenta njani la
Yeah.
for this song in order ukuthi izibe right. Ngobe like, you know what? Let me not stretch myself. Let me just get someone in them feature. I call Cool Drop. He comes to studio. And nangimsendela because Alex bekasebeke ngi-demo draft yale beat. So nangimsendela, I thought, le beat ngose ngathi isashoda. Yabo like abe nawo nama-complaints i-beat ngathi nani. Ngithi nebhodi mina ngiqeda ukurecord. Athi ayikhululeka nje ngathi vele ngiyayihook ngiyayiva one point. So song 2 naspeak e-studio le day nami ngisengilibhalile verse amasho if nibe la 2 verse ingoma. Unelakhe nginelapha. Nasifika e-studio Alex athi sengikudedile i-beat boy. Nema-vocal ami lapha ukukhiphela siwafaka koshuma umthinsa lapha walungisa key lapha. So nakayidlala, hayi ngathi la Cool Drop ngathi yabona ke boy angirekhodi mina lolu verse ngisayobhala kawusha. Ngifuni ngona. La Cool Drop same thing akarekhodanga ngalutho for that time. Wavele waphuma ngaphandle wayobhala same time. Sasala sayilalela I think for about 20 to 30 minutes. Wabuye then he recorded il-verse lakhe. Nakarekhoda il-verse lakhe, athi Alex, recorda lakho lobulibelile as a draft. Stock khona like kubona le ngoma lokuthi i-strategy ibhalance kahle. Ayingilirekhodi nasirecorda kusale esikhana ngalese bridge. Kuna Dreamy e-studio who's been helping me vocal coaching yami ngema se-studio. ngiyaba like isho ekuseka ngizomfakele something la maybe some harmonies nyana cause nje i-bridge ayidzingi ukuthi bize kuhlabele nani nani. Thinking nje if you can listen ngale before ibuye the chorus ekugcineni there's this guy othi manje ngihlushwa ikhalenda iyamemeda
So much of this thing is
ngandisa ukubona we. So wavele nje he placed that and it sounded magnificent. We recorded ingoma yahlala ingoma emshinini sayibeka lapha. Ayende Alex then Alex angishayela la sekusebhoya ingoma yakho se-right buya ngumuntu oyithatha. La ngifika ngibe like asoyidlala. Ayidlala lapha kulawa monitor adlala lawa monitor yami ayilalele. Ngithatha lama-earphone sirekhoda ngithi awungidlalela kulama earphones into right. Ngidlale ngibheke etulo lapha esitulweni. Ngiyilalele.
Yayive ukuthi no ngishundo.
Ngayilala ngeva ngifikelwa kunyembeti and lenyembeti that ngingasiko ukuthi ithi do you know the pain yokuthi uve something ukuthi now I have something here.
Yeah.
But when it comes to reality is kufanele ukuthi someone nyalo angakuniketa 10 million.
Of course.
You have a business lofisi lokuyicala. Nang 10 million sebakunike. Now the issue is senda mendani lo 10 million ngoba phela angathi lutho ngebusiness mina. I know ukuthi definitely ngiyafisa mhlambe uba ne-podcast yami nayi ibe inkulu ibe njani. Sebakunikile imali. You don't know ukuthi now kumele ucale podcast kumele uthenge ama-mic awati ngidzinga ini. So le issue sayila nami at the time ana fan base ka-TikTok ngisashayela nga-100 ma-followers. Facebook at the time ngisede nekubabete mina nge-Facebook ngithi angisho shame. Facebook ngi-TikTok ngi-IG shame bafethu ngakhiswa ngenkhali. Mina ngacala kuba na-TikTok ngicala kuhlabela. Ngacala kuba na-Facebook ngicala kuhlabela.
But anywho, like I want to like just cut you short. I'm sorry for this. I'm sorry.
How you can cut
Say
short
sorry.
sibhede ngiyakhuluma.
Yes, I know. That is why I'm cutting you short. So, what like we saw that you were so big, such that you were recognized, and then you featured a South African Audrey, right? You featured in engomeni yakho. It was so huge. Like, whatever unjani njengaloko. And like, please, after the question, can you please attempt to answer ukuthi ngabe the musical journey wakho, like sohambe kangakanani? What's something new because I've seen you collaborating with other artists like such as Ntwana Nani, and what are you cooking? Like what are you up to?
You're not ready.
I didn't have so many questions for you, so like try to be like,
God.
you know.
You're not ready for what I'm cooking. That's all I can say.
Oh, keen.
Featuring Aubrey was one of the best moments for me because growing up listening to music, I've been an Afropop fan. It's been Tanya Daves at number 1, Lou Browns and Aubrey. So okay, between Lou Browns and Aubrey for me, they are the same. Yabo. Budele ngathi mhlambe kuye ngithandza bani, but for me it's been Tanya Daves, my number 1. So imagine on your list of idols and role models, you get to one on your song.
Oh.
Already for me, look, it was too much. When Aubrey texted me, ngamsendele ngoma, he recorded this verse. I remember the first time that's what sent after 2 days in. What's again my boys ndalisenda nsamba wangalise ishingasho nti kuyivele bengingibani atalisenda ngathi ngingibani ngibona ngalisenda kusasa ntsana vele hayi
And awumfakeli i-pressure.
ngomfakela i-pressure phela vele ukuthi lokho akwe ngathi singavuka the following day neva ukuthi ngakhaza nje ngiyabona ukuthi uyabona ngina nga-WhatsApp so special sendini wabhala i-message ukuthi I will rate boys. I remember that day ngangimsebentini I walk ngimsebentini ngisuke ngwane parking eSentries isibhedlela ngalilalela on repeat ngisuka endlini for the whole 30 minutes journey lebe ngihamba lalidlala on repeat la nsemini elivesi leyo ngililalela ngasho ngathi no ngingabelieve ukuthi ngilombamba litekini vele likonzene nami. So ngalisendela Khandaru because he was the one mixing the song. He mixed walela kahle when he sent it back to me ngamsendela Aubrey. What's Aubrey? Let's restructure the song. I get ukuthi Cool Drop is on the verse. But the thing is, the way you've posted on TikTok, you've linked the verse that Cool Drop in the hook here. So why don't you take this whole thing and make it the hook? Because the whole part has been catchy for the entire time. Ngathi mina but sakuqala le matches sishekise bawuthophrazation nje nengo. But then saba like he's been in the game. Ngeke asasituyise. He knows Afro better than we do. And sathi emva kwakuSinderella Wondaba Badede became what it is now, because now ulalela the previous version yeBadede, you can feel ukuthi it is a good song, but it's not a mega song as it is right now. Yep.
So, Typho, like the whole thing, the whole situation, how is that like Ngatsini has drawn attention, like in bigger scope, like even at like actual academic space, a scholarly, like they're gonna affect, like it didn't affect you like academically. We see like now you have to be out there busy day and day, like, and you have school this side, and like you are big now, like you have people around you, like what's the deal?
All I can say is it's not easy to balance both. It's not easy to balance both because I'm still young. So which means why I'm ngisesanayo le mindset esengisasifuna sikolo. So if I can relax from school nyalo, ngithi ndawubuye ngisibone push music. One thing I'm sure about is nangingacetha lo mnyaka lotako, ngithi nje lo mnyaka lesiwuthathako lotako January to December, asengowumise lo mnyaka wami le wesikole. Ufocus on music. 2027 definitely I'm not going back to school, trust me. Because the more the music grows, the less kuba nalesidingo sengibuyele esikolweni. You understand? So as hard as it is, I need to find a way to balance both. And at the same time, at the point nyalo, if I can take a pause with music, I'm definitely never coming back to where I am now. Make an example for you. Nengibekise ngala ngwane, cause nangathi ngiyabekisa la ngwane kasi ngiba ngathi sengibukela ubani baniphasi. Ndakuvesa nje ma-trending songs lowathi waba nengoma ethi hello 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 ma bambisa la sami imbili yagcina. That song was a hit. That guy le ngoma leyo wayirekhoda with Black Diamond. He made that song wa-relaxa ngathi he went back to school noma wayemakhaya, I'm not sure what happened. Kunginyalo nangingakubuka ngaye awumati nekumati, but the song nangathiwa ngiyadlala, you know the song, and I'm 100% sure ukuthi it's gonna cost him to go back where he is now, where he was at the time. Baningi bantu esibabonile benza music ba-relaxa, make an example of Fifi Cooper, the way Ambitious. Basafuma Ambitious, they relaxed, bangabambi hype. And nyalo the numbers are not the same, you understand? Ba-relaxa too much. So at nombolo ngisafana ngene, because one thing about fans lengifuna ukwatinga, ama-fans ayakhweshana kangakubopha ukuthi ubhizinani empilweni. Ma-fans they love growth, that's one thing I've noticed. Nami I've been a fan, so it's something I know. They love growth. Bafuna ukuthi bathi ukuthi okay, Typho usimbonile waba neBadede, samsupport. After Badede ube busy ngani Typho? Bayakufuna lokho. Lokubona ukuthi usuke la waya la wasuka la waya la. Hayi ukuthi solo menzawonye noma ukuthi bese kwaphelele eteli khona lapho. They don't want though. Once you do that, bayakhwesha kuwe bani. Bantu bamfuna umuntu one-growth. Wena nje would you invest in a business ya someone loyibona ukuthi ayinzawo? Exactly, it's the same key. It's the same thing with music. So you let go, it's gonna be hard. So now, scholar so music so and flanning bambe ganje going to same time. Bebe telo pass because where pass music, I lose my career. Where pass school, I lose interest in school. So for now, make sure it's easy, and it's not hard.
I love that. I love that because like it has to align, like
But it's not easy.
I quite, ne? So, but then I want you to address someone who's young, someone who's at school, someone who has this passion in music. He's so scared or she's so scared. Who would say, you know, like if I may venture into music, I just moves the long thing I've been that is doing. Like, and also I'm so scared we would see like like everything. I just want you to address them. Like, what's that motivation that you like try to share with them that has worked for you? We would see, yeah, they how do I balance my page, my career? How do I gain traction from my friends or from everyone out there? Like, they were another page.
My first advice to a young artist is umajali kwetuna steps. I've been there ngikubonile every artist yawena lo ukuthi now when you on the come up ngaba nengoma ngabona a big artist ngifuna kuba naye ngifuna kuba naye. It doesn't work that way. Opremi nangathi ngamdima kangaki. Danya ngathi ngamdima kangaki. But I'm at the point ye-career nyalo lapho tinombolo tabo waniketwa ngipelanga. Opri DM dimi kathi kunakusundi mati wamniki no inam. Danya benginaila kwani nyasman. Uang niki namba ya ni nam. So leka busho ukuthi don't rush things. Yabo. Tinfo tende tinesikhathi sakhe. Wena wakho make sure ukuthi you push info yakho. And then vele ukuthi usabe ukuthi ngidawubonwa ngibani ngidawunaba ngibani. Lamhlabeni nawusaphili labuthi nawusaphili labantu. Uthi nangigokena litekunali batawuthi imani. Nangigcoke nawo batawuthi imani. Yabo mina the way I dress and the way I look. Kube kuthiwa kuyane bantu nabesho sinangikhuluma nje. Faka isigcoko batawuthini ukuthi ngichenile. Batawuthini lama clip. Do you think image yami ngabe ingilele ngiko nyalo if kuthiwa ngicabenge abantu? People they appreciate what you give them. Yabo. Yes, people appreciate what you give them. If wena you're gonna give us a doubt, we definitely gonna doubt you. Mina nje I once told another boy wetagimi wathi kimi wangilalisa nyingo. Bathi ishekse yabona nje kule ngoma lena ngibani lo ngakhona kungisita maningi waba like ngoba ngiyathi nivele nidulile mbani maybe lo Mateo lo ngangisita mhlambe lengamfaka la ngomeni ukuze ikhule. Ngambuda a trick question mabomu. Ngathi mina konguwe ngikulalelisele ingoma le. Would you give me a verse? Asho kumbuda lo wanna see how confident you are about info yakho. Wathi ishayi. Ngaqale ngilalalele ngathi sashoda kancane. Ngathi if wena ungayithembi, how do you expect me to vouch for you ku someone else? Ngithi akathembe something yakho le wena lo ungayithembi. It's like wena you giving me 20% of something yakho. Uthi asasizame nang 20 ngiyawesaba but you expecting me to give you 100. Wena if you expecting me to invest 100, ube umuntu 20%. How is that gonna balance? Trust info yakho. Yabo ufuna info yakho ukuthi nangathiwa lena ngiphethe ingoma la. Nakathi umuntu na ingoma yakho ke Typhoon ngifuna udlalisa nangadlalela budeva. Ngithi mina noma ungadlalela ngisho wayinika sijava lo mbala. Ni 100% sure ukuthi utayithanza. Have that confidence uyabo. Info yakho yethembe. Mina ibadede ngabe ngayicala kuyiperforma ingakaphumi nephuba. Ibe nemasingalongs bayihlabela I have videos performance zami badede ngakaphumi. Bayihlabela bangayadi because bengihlabela with confidence labantu. Lo mfu nakangibona evingasinayo imvu yayade ngisho angayadi. You understand? So ungesabi push on TikTok, post and lengabusho ukuthi failure is part of life. And whenever you take an L in life, don't take it as a loss. Take it as a lesson. Buka buthi yile habe wrong la. Try and improve them then. Ngibe wrong la, improve lapho.
You like the vela now. Work on yourself, work on your craft. So if I just want to be in a collaboration with you, like how to work around that? If you're singing ngomeni like Pela, how I look up to you, man. So I just need you in my song. Like how do I get you?
Lenzabalena, I'm glad because you brought it up because it's something they say challenge lesibanayo a lot as an artist. For me, maybe I'm gonna be straightforward. For me to be in a song with you, I think challenge that. I think if you can notice, you've never seen me in my features band unless it's people ngihlala now. Yabo.
Yeah.
The reason ngihlala nabo it's cause I know them. Ngiyawati my strengths are to a point ukuthi even some of my songs they are co-written by them. Yabo. Namthi they co-write some of my songs ukuthi sengiyastrugglisha mhlambe sengishodelwa ngi-2 lines noma ngishodelwa ngi-3 lines lapha kathi hayi nama light boys yabo. So I definitely know strengths zabo nema weaknesses zabo. Ngiyathi ukuthi lo kule ngoma le kanje ngamfaka futhi angahlula ngisho kwana nami. Do egomeni le kanje angeke aza excess. Sorry. Lona ngiyathi ngeke aza excess yami. So for you to have a song with me, you can send me ingoma. But since I'm still new to music, I struggle kubhala. So for ukuthi ngize ngikhone ukubhala ngoba kufuna ngichaze mbamba. Nansi ngichaze mbamba ngisho ukuthi ifuna nangiyilalela inginikeze le umfeko ukuthi yabona-ke la uyabona nje uma ngisayilalela kube na something lehana la engqondweni yami ukuthi kube kuthiwa this was my song bengidawe done yabo. And number 2, let's be honest guys, how in order for me to do a favor for you, I need to benefit something from that faith. Nami it has to benefit me somehow. That's just the nature of impilo. Yabo. Akusiwe ukuthi ngitvalile. Noma kunjani, i-nature yiphilo.
Wait before they switch off our mics and everything. And but still ukuthi time up. I have just one informal question for you. Like, you know, with celebrities, with people, I'm gonna call you a celebrity, man. Like, I'm gonna call you that. Like, with celebrities, we have people, we have these things, like, bitana ukuthi, hey, my celebrity crush, don't ukhanzela fa, kung sisema DM, na may say, I see crush, and everything. Like, kambanjan nga lafo.
Niyambona.
Mga DMs, that kambanje.
Futhi
Lang so can we just go out for lunch, you know, Tanita-san.
niyambona. Sizwe ilitho lesidongo esikubalekile.
Yes.
Nesikubalekile. It happens a lot. Mane-ke kuba kuwe ukuthi how you handle it.
How do you handle it? That's the question I'm asking you right now. Like, I want you to tell the world, Buti, I'm cuffed if you're cuffed. Right?
Ngingakusho bafethu ukuthi mine shem noma unga-texta ka-50 cha the fact ukuthi nje number 1 and text i-account yemsebenzi. I cannot date a fan. That's unprofessional. Number 1.
Clock it.
No, I'm being serious. Why? Let me ngizawumeta ema reasons. Why I'll never date a fan. Yeah. Reasons I wouldn't date a fan, number 1. What my intentions are. You came after Batete blew up and the first message you're gonna text me is I love you in your music. So which means definitely I'm 100% sure of what's you know you are me. It's you love my music and the benefits that come with my music.
Let me think.
Exactly.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Most definitely.
You balance both relationship, career.
But so now it's singing for us to say how can this be singing? I'll be serious.
Okay. I get. Alright, so like you can never date a fan.
Nah, I can nalokuthi-ke I feel like it's unprofessional. Cabanga nje sengilethe gig. Ngikade performer. Sengihamba with a fan. And the next thing, remember lo muntu ngendlela lo ulapha utsaki. Chaza ukuthi ubone iThaifa Hlabene. We've had so many cases la ngaphandle. Banungirepile angifuni I don't want any damage to my name, which is like I don't do indzaba le roadkill vele angifuni ngithambe manga. I don't do le ndzaba le usho mi ukuthi ngive ngastanibhorekile hayi sengiyo-check-a nje sengingene nje ka-Facebook sengiyo-scroll nje ma DMs ami ngibube ukuthi ngiyo-check-a ama-profiles nabangidemile cha. Because lo muntu loyo one thing, let me tell you one thing. Lo khumbule lo muntu okudm-eke ukuthi lo munye it happens ukuthi u-obsessed ngawo. It happens. We've seen it in many cases. Sijama nje kwamvela kaningi. Mara i-cases nzumbi. Thina-ke as my artist we should be learning from that. It's not anyone lo njenga Sjava who can bounce back from 3 rape cases. One rape case or rape accusation of time.
If we cancel you.
We cancel you, you're gone.
So wait, we're going now. We're going about to pack and leave this space. So I need to invite your fans to get to know Beyond the Weeks. So invite your fans right now. Can see galaba subscribe, baby, like it, everything. And also I need you to like just quickly have an address on terms of popularity and how it can like destroy one's character and how one can handle themselves now basically particularity and also address the issue if you're doing something outside of school, please like we and them is person afraid to academics editing and then we're about to sign out to be.
Siqale ngale sikora. Bafethu le engingakusho nje sangibuka i-camera nje noma sengibhekene nekoligi abangani bami. Bafethu, scorer is very important. Music, you can never have a shortage music ukuthi izokusustain isikhathi esinganani. There is proof that there have been people who've been in the game trying for more than 20 years abakhona ukuba nalo. There are people laba benehlandla njengathi owathi aneminyaka munye waba wena music. But even with me ngibenehlandla, I don't know how long this is gonna sustain. So make sure ukuthi whenever music dies down, you have option B. You have your degree ihleli lapho ekwenzeni. Dawukhona ukuthi by the time the music ubona ukuthi cha akusangisebenteli, I can go hambe ngi-apply-ele imisebenzi. And it goes in hand lokhu kwenzayo umuntu efame. One mistake we tend to do once we become as-vain, we treat ourselves ngathi asibakhi bani. As much as yes, I can be popular, but I still wanna live a life yokuthi ngikhona nje kuthatha i-walk ngihambe ngiye esitolo eNgwane Park la ngihlala khona ngiyothenga ngifumile emakhe. Yabo, ngibe ngumgwebane. Yes, iqiniso lihle lithi nase ngifike at that stage of my career toba likhulu. But make sure ukuthi you treat yourself like a person. You understand? You cannot run away from the fact ukuthi vele friends will always be there, abantu batawufuna hlezi beta kuwe, invasion of private space, you cannot run away from that. Yabo. But make sure ukuthi it doesn't kill you. Because if fame ibabulele ebantwini boni. Once you become famous, you become cocky. And once you become cocky, over ngathi nguwuthi wena ufuna ukuphila la emhlabeni. And that becomes a problem. Music is dangerous. Not in fact music. Fame is dangerous.
Okay, sorry.
The fame can kill you. I'm not gonna lie. If fame ingabulala, ibulale uphele nya.
So one last main thing before you sign out, like as you sign out, I should say before, because you're signing out right now. You're signing out for real. That's a queen now where we are talkative. Sign out. Usitshele ukuthi what's copying, like.
Okay, lengingakusho kafethu ukuthi wedunia wetiyanzeshi la khaya ngoma ke bantu vele itawubonakala batayifa. Worked with Obligwana, a lot of songs esinato hleli emshineni. Worked with Black Vein, a lot of songs esinato hleli emshineni. Labanye ngicela kunga-announce ezobhinji. Yes. But nje lokunye mhlawumbeni lokungajabulisi ama-fans ami kwati. I have a solid relationship with Black Diamond. Nansi solid I mean ukuthi sibafana nabobhuti wami kimi. And I definitely know ukuthi it's the same with them. And nansi Black Diamond ngibala yonke le ngithi konke bomawelele. I'm counting everyone. So I definitely know nje ukuthi nangathiwa namhlanje decide host the one man show, I can count of ukuthi I can get them better for my one man show la ngwane. So that is nothing, is the kind of relationship lesi siyakhile. I'm currently working on a project for you guys. Ngidayithola project yami music. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it nase iphumile. I'm gonna fight for ukuthi in each and every song that I drop, even a music video. Yes, in order to keep things interesting. Ngoba cha ngiyathi lama audio seniwalalele kakhulu senisinga lokubukela futhi. Yes. So I'll try by all means. And ke lengingabosho futhi ukuthi I'll try to keep my brand alive. But ke lokho ngidasuthi sengibambise ngini. And ngiyayibona support vele nje ngisho futhi ngicale ngikusho I've never said this ngikubona. I'm grateful to me. I don't have fans if I have family, people who love me, because if any now uyayathi nje ifeni yakho lona relation yakho. Namkisa ayizani sekunika umoya lobanzayo ikunika loshisa. Bungabanza ekunika lobanzayo. So that is why inside family. Mina my account ya TikTok got hacked. I was on 100k followers. But it's been 2 months. I'm on 21k followers nyana. Angeke ngikuyeke. It's not anyone who can do that. It's not anyone and everyone no and for le. It requires true love from the people, true love from bantu. Ukuthi bakuthande bami bakuvalue wish. So for me, angiyithathi kancane info le. For ukuthi I'm back i-career yami bayibuyisile nyana. Ngiyakhona ukuyi-promote music wami, i-account yami is growing and ayikemi lengingakusho. Badedenu njengoba niyithanza kangaka, ngithi angisho shame ukuthi kwamele niyishaye le tali. It's going for 1 million streams on Spotify. So which means it will soon be certified as a gold single. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, ngiphinze indisela ama-friends akho
So-
with the family, your family.
Yes, it's my family.
Sesiyahamba.
Sibafethu zami.
Yeah, family.
So as I sign out bafethu, Beyond the Book podcast, ngiyacela bafethu ni-subscribe, like, comment, ni-followishe because I believe this is not my last time ngidlala nami.
Ay, akusoze. You are family, remember.
I don't believe this is my last time.
You
I
are family.
think the next time ngangidlala ngangidala sengiphethe certification plaque yami sibadedile igolide. Sesitokota kahle sengiyibeke la phambi kwey'nyawo tami. Futhi shame ngithi angisho ukuthi shame. Ngisethe awukhoma ngaye. Phela ngimncane bafethu nabo ngingawatamiyanga. So ngisethe ngiyeze.
That was sad.
So yekeleni ngiphaphe guys. Ngike ngabona nje omunye athi kimi
Akasafuni kuhamba niyambona.
boba energetic nawu performance stage guys ngimncane ngizethe awuphapha. Nalana nje ngisethe awubuye ngoba mina ke nasiphezulu ngiyabona ukuthi each time nasiba nema-interviews kuba mnanzi. Sike saba seredweni yalosi la. So I'm definitely coming back. Ngiyacela lesi nangibuya. Lama-subscribers la kaba khona naphuma le episode yami. Khanze phela seka times 20 lokhu nginawo.
Oh my God.
Lady Jimmy is times 20 yabo.
Yeah. Yeah, well, uvile nawe from the horse's mouth, you like, you subscribe, you share everything. I mean, like in the house, you have your favorites. Ngiyakwata pep. Favorite artist at the Rubio, your family member, your celebrity, he's here with us today. So make sure to subscribe, support the Speed Initiative because we're not only just like gaining traction from you, but then we want to improve, we want to influence young people who are like scholars to do more outside of their books, to create something for themselves, of course. So today, as we're signing out, this little Typho Sun, we love you so dearly until we meet some other time, until we see each other some other time. Sintanza.
Ish, mina ngimqabla angayirona kodede madede.
Sintanza kanganga nombolo nema-streams ebade. So we love you. Yini pheze nginithanza kanganga nalama-shares nema-likes nema-subscribes endaweni that Beyond the Books. Until we meet again. Ciao.
Danke.
So back to what I was saying.